Hello everyone, my name is Chandan Kaur. I am final year mechanical engineering student from Guru Nanak Dev Engineering College. Now let's start basic of trigonometry concept. The word trigonometry coming from the Greek word trigonon and metry. Trigonon means triangle and metry means measure. And now coming from the definition of the trigonometry, it is the branch of mathematics that study about the relationship between sides, length and angle of trigonometry, and the various applications of trigonometry are used in daily life. The application of trigonometry, it is used for the oceanography for calculating the height of the tides, and second the roof inclination and slopes, and light angle and the sunsets. And I am a mechanical engineering student. Various use of trigonometry in our subject, that is engineering mechanics, SOM, TOM, etc. And my opinion, without trigonometry, our daily life is not useful. Without trigonometry, is to easy our subject, concept and problem, easy to solve the problem to use the trigonometry. And the basic rules of the trigonometry is, this is right angle triangle A, B and C. B is the right angle and C is the angle theta, and this triangle, as we know that h square equal to p square plus b square. H is the hypotenuse, b is the base and p is the perpendicular side of the triangle. From the Pythagoras theorem, h square equal to p square plus b square and h equal to p square plus under root p square plus b square. P equal to under root h square minus b square and b equal to h square minus p square. And we know that sin theta equal to p by h. P by h sin theta, this is a theta, and sin theta equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. This is called sin theta. Sin theta equal to p by h, and cos theta equal to base upon hypotenuse b by h, and tan theta equal to p by b. And tan theta equal to, as we know that tan theta equal to sin upon cos theta, and sin theta equal to p by h, and cos theta equal to b by h. H cancel and p upon b equal to tan theta, and cot theta equal to b by p. B by p, we know that cot theta equal to cos theta upon sin theta, cos theta equal to b upon h, and sin theta equal to p upon h. H and h cancel, b upon p equal to cot theta, and cosec theta equal to hypotenuse upon perpendicular side equal to h upon b, and sec theta equal to hypotenuse upon perpendicular side of the triangle. This is h by p. Now let's come on the sign of the trigonometry ratio. Sign of the trigonometry ratio we will start now. After a school to college. After a school means, this is the quadrant of the lines. This is the first quadrant, this is the second quadrant, this is the third quadrant, and this is the fourth quadrant. First quadrant is 90 pi by 2, second quadrant 180, it means pi, and third quadrant 278 means 3 pi by 2, and fourth quadrant 2 pi, it means 60. In first quadrant, all sign are positive, all trigonometry ratio are positive. It means sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, cosec and sec theta all positive. And second quadrant only cos theta is positive, and third quadrant only 3 pi by 2, it means tan theta is positive, and fourth quadrant only cos theta is positive. Second quadrant sin theta, third quadrant tan theta, fourth quadrant tan theta cos theta, and first quadrant all trigonometries are positive. I means after a school to college means first quadrant to second quadrant. First quadrant a school, second after a school to college means second quadrant means sin theta. The school to college, second quadrant means cos sin theta is positive to college, and cot theta and tan theta. Third quadrant tan theta is positive, and sugar to coffee, it means sugar to coffee. A school sugar to coffee means sin theta to cos theta, and if second quadrant sin theta is positive, and fourth quadrant is cos theta is positive, and second quadrant sin theta is positive. After a school to cinema, it means sin to any second quadrant to first quadrant, any sin theta to all trigonometry ratio are positive in first quadrant. Now concept of the now this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. This is positive axis and this is negative axis. This is positive y and this is negative y. In first quadrant pi by 2, second quadrant pi, third quadrant 3 pi by 2, and fourth 2 pi. This is the angle of theta in anti-clockwise, and this is a minus 10 clockwise in fourth quadrant. This is the line of the action. In first quadrant, pi by 2 sin all trigonometry ratio positive, and second quadrant only is sin theta is positive, and third only tan cot positive, and third quadrant cos and sec theta is positive. It means theta sin minus theta means sin in fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant means sin theta is negative. Sin minus theta is minus sin theta. Cos minus theta in fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant cos theta is positive. It means cos minus theta is cos positive cos theta, and tan minus theta means fourth quadrant tan minus theta is minus tan theta. I means tan in fourth quadrant tan theta is negative, and cot minus theta equal to minus cot theta. I means in fourth quadrant cot theta is negative. It means cos minus theta equal to minus cot theta. And sec minus theta equal to sec theta. It means in fourth quadrant cos and sec theta is positive. So sec minus theta equal to sec theta, and cosec minus theta in fourth quadrant is negative. It means cosec minus theta is minus cos theta. Now let's come on the point of trigonometry ratio of complementary angle. What is complementary angle? Two angles are said to be complementary if their sum equal to 90. This is the right angle triangle, and this is angle B is the 90 degree, and angle A is the angle A, and angle C is the 90 minus A. In this triangle ABC, angle B equal to 90, angle A plus C equal to 90. This is called complementary. And the sum of two angles equal to 90. This is called complementary angle of the triangle. So angle C equal to 90 minus A. Because angle A plus B plus C equal to 180, angle B equal to 90, the angle A plus C equal to 90, the angle C equal to 90 minus A. In this triangle, sin A equal to opposite side of the angle, that is called BC, and adjacent side of the angle, that is called AB, that is called AB, and the hypotenuse is AC. So sin A equal to B noted perpendicular hypotenuse, that is perpendicular. This is AB, and hypotenuse this is AC. P upon H, and angle A equal to from this angle equal to 90 minus C. The sin A equal to put the angle of A at sin A, sin 90 minus C equal to BC upon AC. The cos C equal to BC upon AC equal to sin A, because sin 90 minus theta equal to cos theta. The sin 90 minus angle C equal to cos C. The cos C equal to BC upon AC equal to sin A. Sin C equal to AB upon AC. AB upon sin C. At this angle sin C equal to 90 minus A, as we know that sin C equal to AB upon AC. AB equal to perpendicular side of the triangle, and AC equal to hypotenuse. AB upon AC, sin 90 minus A, as we know that 90 minus A equal to angle C, and 90 minus theta equal to cos theta. The cos 90 minus A sin 90 minus A equal to cos A. The cos A equal to AB upon AC. So cos A equal to sin C equal to AB upon AC. And now some basic formula of trigonometry. Sin square theta equal plus cos square theta equal to 1. How? Sin theta equal to P upon H, cos theta equal to B upon H. Sin square theta P square upon H square, cos square theta equal to B square upon H square. Sin square plus cos square equal to P square upon H square plus B square upon H square equal to P square plus B square upon, take LCM, H square is a common, H is a common LCM, H square, and B square plus P square plus B square equal to upon H square. As we know that P square plus B square equal to H square, and this is H square base and equal to 1. So sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Proved. Now solve the basic question of the trigonometry. Question first, tan 48 degree, tan 20 degree, tan 42 degree, tan 67 degree equal to 1. Prove that. Solution: tan 48 degree, tan 42 degree, tan 23 degree, tan 67 degree. Tan 48, tan this is written as cot, this is written tan 90 minus 48 and tan 90 minus 67 into tan 67 equal to tan 48 into tan 90 minus 48 into cot 48, tan 90 minus 67 यानी cot 67 dot tan 67. As we know that tan 48 degree into cot 48 written as 1 by tan 48 degree into 1 by tan 67 degree into tan 67. This cancel equal to 1. Proved. Now let's come on second question. Question number 2. Sin 18 upon cos 72 evaluate. Solution: sin 90 minus 72 upon cos 72 equal to sin 90 minus 72 and cos 72 upon cos 72 equal to 1. Answer. Now let's come on the next question. Question number 3. Solve that. 15 cot A equal to 8. Find sin A sec A. Solution: cot A equal to 8 by 15. Sin A equal to, this is a triangle, cot A and I means base upon perpendicular, 8 upon 15 and 15 h square equal to 15 square plus 8 square equal to A B C. 15 225 plus 8 64 यानी कि 982 h square equal to h upon under root 289 equal to 17. Sin equal to AB upon cot A. The cot A यानी base upon perpendicular, the base A B C. Sin A, sin equal to BC upon AC equal to BC upon AC equal to 15 by 17. Sec A equal to hypotenuse upon base, yani it means AC upon AB. AC upon 17 by 8. Now let's enter the next question. Come on, the next question. If angle A and angle B are acute angle such that cos A equal to cos B, then so that angle A equal to angle B. This is the right angle triangle A, C and B. This is the 90 degree. Solution. Consider a triangle ABC, angle C equal to 90 degree and given cos A equal to cos B. As we know that cos A equal to adjacent side of angle A upon hypotenuse equal to cos B equal to adjacent side of angle B upon hypotenuse. Adjacent side of A equal to AC upon hypotenuse AB equal to BC. Its adjacent side of angle B equal to BC and hypotenuse equal to AB. This is cancelled. AC equal to BC. We know that angles opposite to equal sides are also equal. So angle A equal to angle B. Prove. Thank you.